Yo, what's up, guys? Today we're playing Animal Anomaly. So, what we have to do, Afras, tell me.
I'm not gonna tell you. This is
I'm no chakrans. Get aside. This is
why
my customer. I'm here for my appointment. Okay,
yeah,
come, come, ma'am, come. I will treat you.
this is a guy.
Oh, sorry. Take a photo. Photo. Then what? Inspect it. Bro, this is an anomaly.
If the photo looks glitch, then
It's
that
not
means
an
it's
anomaly, I think. Print the. Bro, I want to do this thing. I want to do this. Finish in the check-in. Eh?
alright. Now go to room one and treat this guy. Go to room
Me.
one and
I
treat.
ain't going. I ain't going. It's your.
Fine,
Sure.
I'm going.
I'm going.
You
I'm
have to.
going. I'm going. Where is room
Uh,
one? Room 1. Ma'am, come. I will. Why is she so slow? Come, ma'am. What is your
first of all, go
problem?
to room one. You need to take a DNA sample.
No,
You
I
need to
won't.
you need to put
Take
the
DNA.
monster inside
Bro,
of a
she is
shutter.
laying down like a lash. She
She
said,
is a
ouch.
lot. She is
She said,
basically a
ouch.
lot.
Bro, what I have to do? Acha, ye idhar. She has 25 DNA. 70. 70 DNA.
70% the DNA you're analyzing.
100%. Action needed. Stomach ache.
Yeah.
Ma'am, you have
What do you?
stomach ache. Treatment. Herbs. Herbs कहाँ से लाऊं? My chacha doesn't. My chacha doesn't. From where do I get herbs, bro? Tell me.
There's literally buildings out there that give you herbs and shit.
Oh, sorry. You also get a patient. Go. You. It's your patient's time. Yeah, I saved her. She's not dead. She's alive.
Yeah, you
Patient is
give them the
recovering.
wrong treatment, they die. One time a patient
I will.
asked for one maple syrup. I gave it. Then Azad gave a second one. The patient died.
I will do it. Why not? Where did my patient go? Did she recover? Thank you, doctor. Why does she have a tape over her head?
Why? Because she's one of our monsters.
Eye drops. Eye drops. Get an eye
I,
drop.
I gave them. I gave them. I gave them. Don't give anything else. What? We have to talk to the doctor. Let's go.
I have a gun here.
You
Bro,
can't use the gun. You have
we
to
are the
explain.
doctors. I'm killing the doctor.
We can't.
Bro, why it's 49? Yeah, doctor, what's up? You must be the new hire. Shut up. This is my thing. This is my thing, Afras, please.
You know how
Afras,
to
this is
do it,
my.
right?
Yeah, I
The
do.
doctor and then the other people.
I will do the photo first. If this keep working. Okay.
Let the doctor
I
finish
will
it.
fix up the shutter and security cameras for you. Thanks, bro.
Bro, the first day isn't bad.
Oh,
Second day,
yeah, doctor. Doctor, your checkup.
month ka darwaza.
Oh,
No
sorry.
more monsters in here, bro. Come inside.
Animal
I'll
death
close.
0. W speed. Oh, we got 5 things. Best O Nexus, bro. Why?
Because I treated a I treat. Oh, okay. Now look at this one.
Oh, this is my
You
thing.
can
This is
not.
my thing. This is my thing. Oh, why? Hey,
Oh,
this is
this
an
is an
anomaly.
instant.
This is an anomaly. Shut up. I have an appointment. I will take the camera thing. Nahi, camera, camera.
Check karo.
Let me take it, yaar.
Check
Inspect.
karo.
Yeah,
He's
it's
a
kind of weird.
he's normal.
No, no, this is my patient. This is my patient.
It's
I will
not
get.
glitchy at all though. It's not glitchy at all.
I will be in room 4. Okay, sir, come.
Okay, close the door.
So where
Close
the
the
hell
door.
is the doctor? Where the hell is the doctor then?
The doctor leaves every time. He will come back tomorrow.
What if they get mad like crazy?
Okay. What you asked, the question you asked, here's the answer to. Come to the office and you'll see what happens when they get mad.
Where is the office? My name is Zio. Bro, there's who is this
Oh,
psycho?
you're dead. Yeah, I know the psycho.
I'm asking him to leave.
He can't leave.
I'm asking him. Oh, bro, I got jump scared. My sanity level is going down.
Yeah.
What the? You should have asked him. What if I die? What if I die?
In the
Actually,
hospital.
what if I die? What if I die?
Then you get put into 5,000 jump scares for 7 days.
Then what?
It kind
Then
of
what?
bans. It kind of bans your account for a little while.
So can we respawn?
No, we die. It
What do
bans
you
our account.
need? Eye
That
drops.
part it bans our account though. You not understand.
So what do we do if our sanity is going down? I'll handle her. You handle the reception. You handle the reception. I'll handle everybody here.
Coffee. We drink coffee.
I handled her. What is your thing, ma'am?
Bro, don't go insane. If you go insane, then you'll be murdering me.
Okay. How do I keep my sanity up?
By come
Someone
to the
has a
office. Come to the
death
office.
for death ritual in room 4.
Come on. We have to stop it. We have to stop it.
Come. I just treated her and now she is doing a death ritual.
Open the door. Extinguish.
Sir, ma'am,
Extinguish.
this is not allowed here. Yeah, my sanity is going down. My sanity is going down. My sanity is down. You extinguish them. You extinguish them. I will retreat the patient. Yes, ma'am. What is your problem?
Extinguish them.
Bro, what the hell was that? Dried eyes. So you need eye drop, I think. Can I ask what the hell was that?
That was a ritual.
Yeah, I know,
These
but
guys
what?
are trying to kill us, so we got to do
Kill
something.
me, kill me.
Okay,
If you're a
come to
man,
the
then
office.
kill
Come
me.
to the office. Come to the office. Come to the office.
A patient is laying down there.
I need to give you sanity, bro. I need to give you sanity.
How to get give sanity to
Take
someone?
this coffee.
Oh, coffee.
Drink it. Keep drinking it. The
Till
more
I
you
die.
drink, the more sanity
I'm
recovers.
spamming the coffee. Chocolate. Chocolate is too. Chocolates cost money. Okay, we to every day we can make coffee.
Yeah. There's
So
one patient
it.
left, bro. There's one patient left.
Oh, I accidentally shuttered. Open them. Open
There's
them.
one patient left. Go. Let's treat that patient.
Bro, open the shutters. Open the shutters.
Don't go here. Don't go here.
What?
There's the
No,
patient.
it's
There's
there. The patient is there. Where? On which room? I'll get them anything.
room one.
Ouch.
It's room one. It's room one.
I'll go to the office then.
Yeah.
What does she need? Zahir?
This game gets horror in on on shift 3 it gets horror.
Bro,
I'm telling
do
you.
we listen? Do we get one coffee each, or we get only one coffee? I'll give her herbs.
No. Oh wait, let's kill her. Let's kill her.
No, I gave her herbs. Shut up. Doctor's
Okay,
arriving.
we have to go to the office. That means
Listen, bro.
let's
Listen. Close the door. Close the door. Sir, yes, sir. Sir, we are very good people.
we have herbs.
Sir,
We
I'm
have
going to shut the doors on you.
oh I'm opening new oh no.
The
This
supply shop
facility
will be
where the
open.
monsters are like Huggy Wuggy. This new facility has
What is the supply shop? What is the supply shop?
this place.
What can we get there?
Medical supplies basically.
I don't need those. Let's
Yeah,
see. Should I go? I want to check that out.
zero deaths, zero deaths.
That's good. Shock people. Faster prints. Extra check in the window. I should I buy faster prints?
Yeah, just buy that. Yeah, just buy that.
I shouldn't buy faster shifts. Tasing people. I think. What does she need? What, bro? I'm outside. What the hell did you do there? Let me check.
Did that by mistake.
She is a normal girl. Normal. On which
We
room will
haven't
she?
got an anomaly, a single anomaly so far.
We are some good people. Yes, ma'am. Room 6. Room 6? That's new.
Okay, I'm here for the next. Okay, I found an anomaly. Come to the office if you want to see an anomaly.
Yeah, I want to. I also want coffee. Yeah, this is probably an anomaly, I think. I will do it. Please, let me do it.
Close the door, close the door, close the door.
I have an appointment. Okay, sir. I believe in you 100%. Let me take a photo of you and let me see.
Let me inspect it. Oh
Sir,
my
this
god.
is not glitchy at all. I believe in you. Shut the doors. Bro, our patient is out there. One patient is out there.
If she dies, then we're killed. We're cooked. I'm
I'm
leaving.
leaving.
Bye
Good.
bye. Bye bye. We don't need you.
Good. And unshutter the shutters.
Okay, this one, this one, this
I
one.
will
This
give
one's
the.
probably. Close the door when you go, bro.
No, I'm good. Let me get the patient real quick. She's waiting. What the hell is this? X-ray?
Yeah.
Copy the sequence. What does that mean? Bro, what does the. I don't know how to do an X-ray.
Don't do it. Don't do it, bro.
Copy the sequence. How to copy the freaking sequence?
Okay. You have to. I got another patient.
Tell me. I will get that. In which room? You go
I got
X-ray.
another anomaly. If you want to see another anomaly, I
Yeah,
have
this,
one.
bro. You can go in room 6. Go in room 6. I'll handle this. Go in room 6. Go in room 6.
Oh, I got to fix room.
How to do a X-ray? Can you tell me?
I'm fixing the person in room 3, I think.
How to do X-ray? Can you tell me?
I don't know. I didn't get this far. I got killed.
Bro, this is not an anomaly.
I'm, then it's a previous employee. They're cooked, basically.
Go, sir. Room 2. I will handle you, sir.
Wow.
Room 2.
Bring a thermometer and her and med kit, bro.
Where the hell do I found these things? I found a thermometer. I found an ointment. I accidentally picked that up.
Maybe you should give that.
I found I found these. Bro, do the X-ray to that girl.
No, you go to reception, bro. You have to do the reception.
You go. I'll do the things here.
Go to the reception.
No.
Yes.
What do you need, sir? I bro accidentally like sir, should I check your bukhar, flu and fever? So you need thermometer, cough syrup. Bro, where are these people going? Cough syrup. Where do I find cough syrup? Should I give her maple syrup?
No.
No, I will.
Oh, I did it. I gave her an X-ray. Are you
How to get
are
a
you
how to give an
are you at
X-ray? How to give an
I did it.
X-ray?
I did it. I did it.
Answer me a question. Sir,
How
you
to
are
copy
good.
a sequence, bro? Are you at the reception? You have to do the reception, bro.
Oh, I will give it to. I will go to reception. You handle patients.
Okay, in 16.
I want to buy the gun so bad. Hurry up, sir. I'm here.
Medicine, maple syrup. Medicine,
This guy is normal.
maple syrup. Maybe
Sir, in which room will you be? I'll help you, sir. Bro, so many people are coming today.
because
Oh,
five of
anomaly came. A stalker came. A stalker came. A stalker came.
stalkers will kill us.
What do you have to do if they come?
We have to stay in the office and do nothing.
I found an anomaly, I think.
If they're bandaged, then they're probably not an anomaly.
Yeah,
Check
they're
the
bandaged.
check the band. Okay, they're fine. They're fine.
Bro, the Pinterest slow. Look what's in the daily shop. Bro, wow, you jump scared me. I will go to room 1. How to do an X-ray? I still don't know.
There was a monster. There was a monster here.
Your
Oh,
sanity is
it's
going down. Make a coffee, make a coffee. Go make a coffee. This is my patient. Go to room 5. How to do an X-ray? I still don't know.
you just need to copy a sequence.
How
You
to
can do
copy
it.
the fucking sequence?
Okay, no, there's a long time before I get a coffee. I'm gonna go insane and kill you.
Oh, I got that coffee, I think. How many insanity do you have?
I have 47, and it keeps going
I have
down.
50. I have 50.
Once my sanity hits, then
Medicine.
I am
Herbs.
cooked. You're cooked, actually. I will turn into some monster and chase you.
Medicine. Herbs. Bro, this guy has 50 million diseases at once.
I
And
want to
I
exit
don't.
the game, bro. I want to exit this game so bad.
I want to give her IV drops so bad, like IV drips so bad, but I can't. Is any patient here? Or has everyone gone home?
Four. There's a patient.
I found another patient just lying around for 10 minutes. And I will also handle the 4 patient. Room 4, right?
There's a
A patient, there is
close that
no
down.
patient at room 4. There's no patient at room 4.
I'm gonna exit the game, bro.
Thermometers.
A monster has summoned.
Thermo.
Death ritual. I'm exiting. Bye bye. You don't do
Why?
anything.
Listen, nah. Nothing will happen.
Now this is the exact moment
I
everyone
killed
stops.
someone. I killed someone.
Fuck. Okay, just exit.
No, we are not. Listen, Afras. This is,
You're
is this
fighting
is
again.
this is fun.
I have a game for you.
No, this is fun.
It's called Poppy Playtime.
I I have played. I have played these games before. What do I do if I kill someone?
Then basically your rating goes down.
I accidentally killed her. The doctor is arriving. Are you in the game? Why the hell did you leave?
I exited.
One camera down. One camera down? What does
Yeah,
that mean?
there's a monster that's jump scaring patients in
Yeah,
the
it's also
audience.
jump scaring me in the cameras.
Yeah. After all, if all of the cameras go down, then we're cooked.
Then what do I have to do?
Basically, just stay alive.
Like how?
There's no way. You
Now
just
we can have the taser. We have the taser now.
okay. Join me.
Wait, I have the taser.
Okay.
What 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 can we do with the taser?
When you get the taser, that means that something is gonna happen. Okay, what do you want to play? Chapter one,
Animal
chapter two, or
Crossing. Animal Crossing.
chapter
I'm
one,
going to. I'm just going to taser this girl because why not? Hello, die.
we're gonna do chapter one.
It wasn't an anomaly somehow. Die, you also die. Let me get a taser real quick. I want to kill you as well.
Bro,
My taser and
come on,
taser was one
join.
use, bro. Why? Taser was one use.
Yeah, did you destroy it?
Yeah.
Uh, the
Okay, that's all
taser
for
is